Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Jason Laird.
Welcome back and happy Monday, everybody. I'm Jason Laird looking at, what are we, about 14 minutes away from 6 o'clock. The time now is 5:46. All right, so wind is going to be the big talking point today, so bringing back the garbage can indicator. Likely going to have to chase it a little ways down the alley today, especially along the High Line. 40 to 50 mile-an-hour wind gusts are expected in this area, maybe even taking the car out of the driveway later this afternoon as well. Looking at a little bit of spotty shower activity early this morning. Couple of clouds over the area, but really very isolated, very spotty showers. Going to drift off very quickly this morning. 54 in Great Falls, 50 right now in the capital. A few mid-40s in northeastern Montana. For the remainder of the day, any showers we do see should pretty much stay over the mountains and very isolated, very sporadic. Just partly cloudy skies today. Not a whole heck of a lot going on in the terms of weather. A little bit cloudier, though, this evening. The big story today is, as we showed you earlier, very, very strong winds, likely 40 to 50 miles per hour for most of the state. That will help with temperatures, though, looking at 71 degrees in Great Falls, 71 in the capital, so right on track with average, and then warmer throughout the eastern plains, trying to hit the 80s there, but still looking at the high 70s. Overnight lows a little bit warmer than average, 49 in Great Falls, 50 tonight in the capital, a few low to mid 50s in northeastern Montana as well. Future track for tomorrow now, another windy one on tap, likely not quite as bad as today, but still pretty darn windy. We'll start the day out with about 19 mile-per-hour winds early in the day. By the noon hour, these are again sustained winds, about 25 miles per hour for most of central Montana. Occasional gusts up to 40 miles per hour are not out of the question, especially in and around Cutbank. Those winds will die down a little bit Tuesday night into Wednesday. As for tomorrow's temperatures, they're going to start cooling off a little bit as our next weather system moves in, looking at the 60s all across the board there. So to give you an idea what we're tracking here, we're up to Wednesday now. Notice how tight these white lines are. Those are going to be isobars, areas of consistent pressure. The tighter they are together, the more wind we're going to see. So staying pretty darn windy up even into Thursday. Then this pocket of colder air up to our north is going to start sliding down as our next weather system moves in. That's going to keep us about 20 degrees below normal as we head toward the weekend. And then our big weather maker is going to slide in this weekend. And that, my friends, is going to offer up some snow. Here's how things play out for us. 71 today, windy through Tuesday. Rain returns on Thursday, and temperatures are going to get cold enough this weekend that there's a very strong possibility a lot of that rain is going to switch over to snow. Keely?
Thanks, Jay.